Hi everyone, have a good day. Today I am going to share with you how to fix a picture that we need to a background. Okay, then let's go to video.
But here I go. I know it's stoic, but all of me was broken with my lips closed.
First I import these two photos to the Photoshop. Then you can follow these steps orderly which I am doing. Watch how nice I fix this Coca-Cola banner to this lorry.
In a heartbeat, I shout on repeat till I'm weak now. More than anything, I need you. I need you. Babe, I know our days are gone, but my regrets are stronger than I convey. So I must say, I kept you at arm's length and pushed you away, yet you stayed through my pain. And you were on your knees.
Okay, then you know how to fix such a photo to the background. If you have any question, please leave me a comment in the below comment box. Okay, then goodbye. Let's meet again with our new video. Thank you.